Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Leslie Ramos and today I'm doing a full face using Drugstore makeup. So if you want to see how I achieve this just by using Drugstore makeup, girl, then just keep on watching because we're doing a beat face for less, period. And then I'm going to use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer right here. Mine's a little dirty. It has eyelash glue. And this is my favorite Drugstore primer. So I'm just going to dig it in and put it on. It's kind of like a crema. I don't know how to explain it. What is crema in English? It's kind of like a lotion texture on your face, and I just love how it feels on the skin. Let's do my face. So I usually kind of do a natural face now. So I use the NYX Bare With Me tinted moisturizer. I use number 4. It's True Beige Buff. And I kind of just focus it right here. I know it's weird how I do my makeup now because I don't really like put a lot of makeup on anymore because of the masks, so I just kind of do that. And then this is not a Drugstore brush, it's a Fenty brush. Alright, so see that? It's kind of like your skin but better. I'm gonna go with my e.l.f. concealer sponge and just go over it just to make it a little bit more dewy. Oh crap, I forgot to do my brows. Let me do my brows first before I move on to anything else. So I use my Pears soap to do soap brows. I spray this first and then do my brows. So I'm just gonna do that quickly off camera just because I'm gonna do an in-depth tutorial on my brows. So I recently bought this Break Free palette from LA Girl. It's super pretty. It's super pretty. Look at that. Beautiful. The shadows are so like creamy, like buttery. The shimmers on point, girl. You need this palette. They have this purple one, and then they have like more of like a neutral palette. It's like an orange and brown tones, but I have a lot of those colors, so I was like, let me get the purple one. I'm also gonna go in with my e.l.f. Camel Concealer in medium peach, and then I'm taking this Morphe M173 brush, and I kind of just buff the concealer out so I can have like a base for my eyeshadow. We're gonna go in with this color right here, and it's the color, what is it? Breathtaking. So I'm taking the shade Breathtaking and blending that out in the crease with a Wet n Wild brush. And then I'm gonna go with the color Simplicity right here just to darken up that corner. A Morphe brush on the outer corner with Simplicity and darkening that outer corner. Then I'm going to take this flat brush right here from Colourpop, and then I'm going to go in with this color called Whimsical. And I'm placing this one on my lid just to finish up the look. I think I'm going to use my finger actually for this color. Oh yeah, that looks way better. Taking that Morphe brush and putting Simplicity back in the outer corner and blending that out. And then I'm going to take this small inner corner highlighting brush, and then I'm just going to, so since I used this one, I'm going to go in with this little pink shade for the inner corner just to brighten this inner tear duct a little bit. And then for my bottom lash line, I'm just going to take this brush and then I'm just going to slide this color and then this pink color together. And then I'm just gonna buff it out on my bottom lash line. So, just to finish off the look. Alrighty, so that is the eyeshadow look. I'm gonna just clean up underneath here with some concealer, but I'm gonna do the other eye off camera so we can move this along faster. Okay, I'm back. So I'm going to clean up under here with some concealer. Putting that by my eyes to clean up the look. And then I like to use this concealer to also conceal around my mouth. I get redness around my nose area and my mouth area because I have eczema. So right here I'm just buffing out with my concealer brush, the Morphe one. Now blending with the M173 brush from Morphe. And then here using the e.l.f. sponge just to blend out some more. But yeah, this e.l.f. Camel Concealer is my favorite, honestly, because it's so it's like it's the hydrating one, and it's super creamy, it's like you need this concealer in your life. That's all I'm gonna say. Period. So I'm gonna go in with cream contour, and I use cream everything now. I don't use anything else but cream. So I have here the LA Girl concealer, but I'm using it as a contour. And I got the shade Toast. And here we are just placing the product where I usually contour. So then I'm taking a kabuki brush. This is a small stipple brush from e.l.f. So I'm just gonna blend this out. I'm using the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek blushes, and I'm just gonna stamp it on. And I'm not gonna go focus on my apples in my cheeks because I just don't want to look more rounder, I guess. I just want to look snatched, so I'm focusing it over here. Yeah, I love these ColourPop blushes because they're super nice and they blend so nicely into my skin, and also leaves me really like dewy, which I love because yeah, I don't set with any powder. I just kind of leave my face like this. I do go in with a setting spray though, and I go in with the Morphe Luminous setting spray. Get my fan. This is also from the dollar store, just to let you know. And it has little butterflies, like cute. Now let's go in with an eyeliner. So I'm going to use my favorite, the NYX Liquid Matte Eyeliner. And then with the NYX Liquid Liner, we are just going to make that wane and make it sharp. My other favorite lashes are the Eylure lashes. Ooh. The Eylure lashes. These are super bomb as well. Like super wispy, super extra bomb drugstore lashes as well. But I'm going to use the Jasmine Brown and Curly Queen lashes. I already used them once, so I'm just reusing them again for this look. I'm going to go in with my favorite mascara, which is the Maybelline Lash Sensation. And I kind of use it to blend in the lashes, my real lashes to the fake lashes. And I like this mascara because the inner part, it's really tiny and you can get those bottom lashes coated. Alright, we're gonna go in with lips. So I am in love with NYX pencils, like NYX Lip Pencils. Fire, top notch. Like, you need them. If you haven't copped them, what are you doing, sis? Go get some now. My liner in nude pink. I'm going to go in with a Milani. I love Milani lipsticks. They are so creamy. The only lipsticks that I probably will use is Milani because they're super creamy. Yeah, and I hate anything matte on my lips. But let me throw these on real quick. And this is the shade Dulce Caramelo. And then I am also using lip gloss in Milani. And I'm doing Luminoso. I love Milani. What's it called? Lip glosses as well. And I'm taking this Morphe M510 brush for my highlight. And I'm going in with the Wet n Wild highlighter. And this is the color Golden Flower Crown. Golden Flower Crown. Yeah, so I usually like spray my face and then right away put my highlighter on. So it looks fire. Alright, and then I'm going to hit it again one more time with the Morphe Luminous. Yeah, everything here, drugstore makeup, and you wouldn't even know. I look high-end, bitch. I look like a badass bitch that spent $200 on her face. Period. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, if you are like gonna get anything from like what I showed you, the lip stuff, like the Milani lipsticks and like lip gloss, amazing. And then also the concealer, like the e.l.f. concealer, girl, get yourself the hydrating Camel Concealer because this shit is a bomb. Alright, and my favorite lashes, get those, girl. But yeah, anyways, this is my face. But yeah, full face using drugstore. And yeah, come back next week to see my, I think I'm filming my Fenty Skin review. So come back and check that out. But yeah, check out my other videos over here and follow me on Instagram so you guys can be up to date and like socialize with me on there because I'm more active on there. But yeah, I have nothing else to tell you, but thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye.